Hey, so if you're completely new to Tella and not sure where to start, yeah, this guide is for you. I'll walk you through everything step by step, from setting up your account to creating your first video. First, go to Tella and sign up using your email or Google account. It only takes a minute to get started. Once you log in, you'll land on the dashboard. This is where all your videos and projects are stored. Take a second to look around so you know where everything is. Now click on New Video to create your first project. You can record your full screen, a specific window, or just a browser tab, depending on what you need. You can also turn on your webcam and microphone if you want to include your face and voice. Click record, and after a short countdown, your recording will begin. You can pause and continue anytime. So yeah, don't worry about making mistakes. Tella lets you record in clips, which means you can redo small sections instead of starting over. After recording, use the built-in editor to trim clips, rearrange them, and remove mistakes. You can also add zoom effects, layouts, and backgrounds to make your video look more polished. If you want, you can use Tella's AI tools to remove silence or filler words automatically. Yeah, it saves a lot of time. Once your video is ready, click Finish. You can download it or share it with a link instantly. So yeah, that's how to get started with Tella as a beginner. It's simple, flexible, and perfect for creating videos fast. If this helped, check out more tutorials like this.